song by Jason Mraz, yung kinoconsider kong music hero ko. So siya yung naging inspiration ko sa pagsulat ng song simula nung 2014 pa, and this 2025 dito ko lang masisimulan yung pag-release. So sa Spotify may isa na akong release nung January, and next is ngayong July yung kinanta ko previously. So this song is alam mo siguro natin lahat to, way back 2008. It's kind of a testament sa faith, no, sa kapalaran, and to the great unknown. And it's about giving yourself into life and possibilities na rin ng love para i-handle ng kapalaran natin. And this song is all yours.
I tried to be you, but you're so fucking melted. I fell right through the cracks. I'm trying to get back before the cool down run out. I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me. Divine intervention, I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. So take no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and tell you are free. Just look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. I love peaceful melody, and it's our God intended right to be the love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm so damn sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Won't you come up closer, dear, so I can nibble your ear? I've been spending way too long shaking my tongue in the mirror, and when I move it back it's just to try to say it's flavor. But my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew in your face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying, mister, ain't no better reason to read yourself up than it isn't just to with the seasons. It's what we aim to do, our name is so virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours, and open up your mind. See like me, open up your plans and tell you are free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky's yours. So please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. this morning and smiled with the rising sun. There were three little birds perched by my doorstep. They were singing some sweet songs. Yes, the melody is pure and true. They were saying, "This is my message to you." And everybody they were singing, "Don't worry about a thing. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Every little single thing is gonna be alright. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Every little thing is gonna be alright. That's the reason why I will not hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm so damn sure there's no need to complicate things, 'cause our time is simply short. This is our fate.